Let's solve this factorial problem. We need to find the missing digit n in the equation 11 factorial equals 3991 n 800. We're given that 11 factorial equals 39, 91, n, 800, where n is a missing digit we need to find. First, let's calculate 11 factorial directly to verify the result. Let's compute this step by step. Then we get 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we get 6 times 4 equals 24. Then we get 24 times 5 equals 120. Then we get 120 times 6 equals 720. Then we get 720 times 7 equals 5040. Then we get 5040 times 8 equals 40,320. Then we get 40,320 times 9 equals 362,880. Then we get 362,880 times 10 equals 3,628,800. Then we get 3,628,800 times 11 equals 39,916,800. Now we can see that 11 factorial equals 39, 91, 6, 800. So the missing digit n is 6. As an alternative approach, we can use the divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. 11 factorial is divisible by 9. The sum of digits is 30 plus n is divisible by 9. Since 27 is divisible by 9, 3 plus n must be divisible by 9. So, n must be equal to 6. Both methods confirm that the missing digit n is 6.